This is Wallet Brief, where we break down what actually moved the U.S. economy this week, without the noise. If prices, interest rates, jobs, housing, or taxes are quietly changing your money, this is where you stay informed. Let's get into what really happened this week, and what it means for your wallet. Today, one of the biggest trending topics in finance is stock market today. Investors across the U.S. are watching the market closely as volatility and shifting expectations continue to move Wall Street. The reason this is making headlines is simple. The stock market today reflects how investors feel about the economy right now. Concerns around interest rates, inflation trends, and corporate earnings have been driving daily swings in major indexes. Even small shifts in expectations can move billions of dollars across the market in a single trading session. But behind the headlines, the real trend is about uncertainty. Markets are constantly trying to predict what the Federal Reserve might do next, whether inflation will continue cooling, and how strong consumer spending really is. When investors are unsure about the future, markets tend to move more sharply, both up and down. For everyday households, the stock market today matters more than many people realize. Millions of Americans have retirement accounts, pensions, or investment funds tied to the stock market. When markets rise, retirement savings often grow. But when markets fall or become unstable, the value of those savings can fluctuate. It also affects confidence. When markets feel unstable, businesses may slow hiring or investment plans. And that can eventually ripple into wages, job opportunities, and overall economic momentum. The biggest signals will likely come from upcoming economic data, especially inflation numbers, job reports, and any signals from the Federal Reserve about future interest rates. These indicators often set the direction for the stock market today and the broader financial outlook. For now, investors are watching carefully, and the market remains highly sensitive to new information. That's your wallet brief for this week. These changes don't always make headlines, but they do change how much you pay, save, and earn. We'll be back next week with the updates that matter. Until then, stay informed and protect your wallet.